My name is Takis I used to work in nightlife for 20 years, but I give up this life and I changed my life, and now I'm helping animals. I rescue about 2,000 dogs. All of them, they was in a very bad condition. I found them in the rubbish, I found them in the streets, they was ready to die. So I help about 2,000 dogs.
If I see a dog who is suffering with no food, who is ill, if I see a dog who needs help, I help immediately. Even if I have no space in the shelter, I take it at home. And my work is to help the dog, and after when I help the dog, to pass the dog to a nice family to have a forever home, so I can help another dog who have a problem. I have dogs with special needs, who they must be close to me at home, and I start my day by taking care of them.
This is my small house. It's small, but I love it. Daddy. Good morning. I'm here with Moby. Moby is the dog who was in a chain for 9 years, and yesterday he had his freedom. He's always next to me. He loves me so much now. Jenny, move. I am working all day, so I just have a little break to say hello. Diaz. Today he's in a new area. So much better. Hey Luis, he have a happy tail. He's feeling happy. Look. Evita. Hey, Black. A house for me and volunteers in the middle of the shelter, in the middle of more than 350 dogs. Luluka. Booby wants to say to all of you, thank you so. Then this is my way to feed the pup. We are working in the new cats area. Always next to me, Jenny. Darling, you are amazing, Jack. Oh, we have a happy day today. Bravo, Nala. Arthur. Pedacchia. Bravo, pedacchia.
If you had one wish.
One wish.
One wish, yes. What would it be?
My dogs to be adopted so I can help more dogs. You're adopting my dog Koda? So this lovely couple here, they come to find the right dog for them to adopt. So they already adopted 2 dogs and 1 cat from me, and now they are back. Thank you so much for adopting Maya. This lovely man, he traveled from Germany.
To adopt her.
Oh.
Give her a better life.
Of course, for me, it's hard to give the dog. But when I get photos and videos of the dog happy in the house and play happy up and down, I am very happy also.
We are Will and Jacqueline from the Netherlands. We adopted Frufulita and Boyka in 2021.
My name is Priska and I adopted Ariel, Rusty, Bobby, Jimmy and the cats.
Elda. She got adopted 5 years ago. She was adopted together with Hugo, Perla, Angel and Rory.
And I adopted 4 dogs from you, yes, you know it. And
I'm little Camilla, little Mila, rescued by
Rico and Astrid. We adopted Paula in 2018.
I adopted Krita last year in April, and look at her.
And Mausi. And we adopted Mausi 3 years ago. And we all wish you a happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Takis. Hello, Takis. Happy birthday.
Και ευχόμαστε στην Τάκη για τα γενέθλιά του χρόνια πολλά.
Hey, dear Takis. Congratulations, it's your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. We wish you all the best for your birthday from Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday from Libby and Ulrike. Happy birthday, lieber Takis.
And she wants to say happy birthday, Takis.
And I wish you all the best and carry on the good work, Takis. We love you.